Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Last week we talked about the losers in REITs for the first half of this year. This week, as promised, we are coming to you talking about the winners in the first half of this year. More importantly, to know the winners for this first half of this year actually help us to portend, to foretell, and help us to predict which are the winners likely for the second half of this year. And that's how you can actually enhance your wealth in REITs. So, ladies and gentlemen, who are the winners in the first half of this year, right? This is actually found in our GCP Global latest monthly publication. So do look at our website, for a monthly discourse of all our serious analysis on real estate investment trusts. And this has been like that for the last 32 years. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in our classes that we share with GCP Global student investors, we said and made a call on retail REITs as well as hospitality REITs. So let's look at the winners for the first half of this year. And this call was actually made last year in our various classes. You can see taking top spot is actually Fraser Hospitality Trust. Then you have Ascot REIT number 3, CDL Hospitality Trust, which is number 4. And and if you actually look at our Facebook page, ladies and gentlemen, we recently had lunch with the CEO, Mr. Vincent Yeo of CDL Hospitality Trust, to actually understand further the future profitability of this basically well-expanded hospitality. We do look at our photos over there, as well as actually to round it up, it's actually Far East Hospitality Trust. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, of the top 10 performing REITs in the first half of this year, 4 are hospitality REITs, which is the call that we made at GCP Global. And what about the other sector? That's actually retail. So as you can see, the top two of the retail REITs, that's Capital Land, ICT, and Fraser Centrepoint Trust, made the grade for the top 10. So ladies and gentlemen, as in our write-up, we have mentioned that essentially I was the top 20 shareholder of Fraser Centrepoint Trust until before the COVID-19. And of course, when the COVID-19 hit, and before it actually came on in February of 2020, Fraser Centrepoint Trust crossed $3 in January of 2020, and that's how I actually unloaded and sold off my shares. So this will be very interesting because my call now is that Fraser Centrepoint Trust at 2:30 might present you one of the best buying opportunities, right? And that's why even in our Business Times interview, which was just done in the early part of this month, you notice that we are going for the fact that the potential for S-REITs to do well, coming off a poor 6 months for this year, where the REIT index at its worst is actually, or was down 8%, it's poised for a rebound. So when Business Times asked me, what are the kind of REITs that you're looking for that will perform well? Well, just look at my answer. We are looking for REITs with strong pricing power. So as in our classes, as I've mentioned earlier, ladies and gentlemen, we liked the Top Gun movie, where the top song goes, way into the danger zone. So for us in our GCP Global classes, we actually help you to avoid this danger zone. And what do we actually look for? We look for when the market corrections will end and how you will benefit as a shareholder. So as you can see in our other interviews in the media, we have mentioned that S-REITs basically have survived COVID-19. What lies ahead? So we help you to preempt and actually to look forward. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. You actually saw the winners as we have predicted. You saw the market correction that came, which we have mentioned in our warning as from last year. We have really warned you to actually take your profits on REITs. Prepare for this correction. This correction has come. It's come fortuitously when the time where you have that opportunity to be gathering the stocks that you have sold and made money to invest in these stocks right now. So what lies ahead? That's what we look for in our classes as well as our weekly videos. So do follow us closely and do sign up for our weekly videos as well as subscriber. If you want to learn more and make more money, do join us for our class. The next class is on the 13th of August. It's a live class, and we are thankful to Lendlease to actually becoming one of our friendly supporter for our investor relations. Plus, I think it goes a lot in telling how good we are as investor protector for REITs education. So hope to see you. Cheers.